Hello, today we will guide you through how to get trading permissions on Interactive Brokers. To begin, open the Interactive Brokers client portal and sign in so you land on the main dashboard, often labeled Home. This is your account's control center. Give the page a second to fully load so all the menus appear. If you manage more than one account, confirm you're viewing the correct one, since availability of features can vary by account type and region. Now look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation bar. You're looking for the trade option across the header. It typically sits alongside other primary menus and stands out as the place you go when you want to place orders or manage trading-related settings. If your window is small, the menu may compress. Expanding your browser or zooming out slightly can make the Trade button easier to see. Go ahead and click Trade. This opens a menu or panel that collects trading tools and controls in one place. Within this area, you'll find an item called Trade Permissions, sometimes displayed as Trading Permissions. This section is where you review and manage which products and markets your account is approved to trade. It's the gatekeeper for access to products like stocks, options, futures, and more, depending on your eligibility. Click Trade Permissions to proceed. On many live accounts, this is where you would request or confirm permissions based on your profile and regulatory requirements. However, if you are using a trial or paper account, you may find that trading permissions are not available to change. In that case, the option can appear disabled, or you might see a notice indicating that permissions are not allowed for this account type. That's expected behavior and simply reflects the limitations of trial environments, which are designed for practice rather than for requesting new approvals. If you encounter the restriction, don't worry. The path you took is still the correct one, and once your account is eligible, this same Trade Permissions area is where you'll review and manage your access. Keep in mind that permissions depend on several factors, including your account's type, location, and the information you've provided about your trading experience and objectives. The interface can evolve over time, so if the wording varies slightly, look for the option that clearly references trading permissions or product access. That's it. From the dashboard, locate Trade at the top, click it, and then open Trade Permissions. If you're on a trial account, expect permissions to be unavailable, and if you're on an eligible account, this is where you'll manage them. Thanks for following along.